Assalamu alaikum.
Salamatullah.
Sheikh, my question is it permissible or halal to watch Islamic videos that have a female speaker?
Okay. First of all, this is quite popular, unfortunately, in the US and maybe sometimes in the UK, where a lot of the Muslim sisters have no problem in coming into the media and giving lectures or reminders and the likes. And the most authentic opinion is that this is totally prohibited. First of all, it is not the doing of the Salaf. Never ever we heard that the mothers of the believers, who are the most knowledgeable among the companions, would go to the masjid and give a public speech, or address men, or lead them in prayer. So you know better than them? Of course not. Secondly, women come out with their faces showing. And in Islam, it's an issue of dispute whether a woman should cover her face or not. But it's not an issue of dispute that men must lower their gaze. So why would you leave all these great, handsome speakers and scholars and insist on listening to this sister? Come on, where is it? There's something hanky-panky here. Yani, mashallah, you would not soften your heart except by watching the sister giving you a reminder and maybe shedding a tear or two. Oh, the poor thing. And you're getting closer to Allah Azza wa Jal. Give me a break. Thirdly, this has not, unfortunately, been limited to this. The sisters are sharing the platform and the desk with another brother, a da'i or a scholar, and they're chit-chatting and looking at one another and sometimes cracking jokes and high five. Wait. What are you guys doing? Is this Islamic dating or what? So this is totally prohibited. This is how you dilute religion and you get a new form of Islam. Not the traditional Islam, everything is haram, everything is not permissible and you fear Allah. No. This is way better. When a man sits next to a woman, chit-chatting and maybe flirting, and after the show, if the mics are not on, my place or yours, what is this? Come on. You see how Islam is, in some of these countries, is unfortunately deteriorating because of such da'is and such scholars. Now, I'm not saying that all sisters who give lectures are like this. A'udhu billah. There are many of them that are so fabulous and good in character and in knowledge, but they have chosen the wrong approach by which other girls and women may follow suit but mislead the right track and end up in the wrong hands. So therefore, Islamically, this is not permissible. Sisters, limit your da'wah to other sisters. No free mixing, total segregation. This is how it was in the beginning of Islam. This is how it should remain till the end of time, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.